I want to go over some coloring techniques. Remember to be on the top right ball there, and then on the selection here for materials, we're going to change our first color to whatever we want, okay? And then our second color, we're gonna go ahead and go to edit mode. Make sure we're in edit mode. We're going to add with the plus sign here. We're gonna hit the plus sign. We're gonna add a new material. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to create a black color like this. And then I'll call it black just so I'd be organized. All right, and then I'm going to select a panel or two that I want to be black. So I can hold shift to select more than one. So let's say I'll do this one here because I want to make that as well black. And then I click the black and I do assign, okay? In object mode, if I have more than one object, I can then select from previous colors. So I'm gonna pick the same purple color. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna make it black as well, okay? And then this cool feature, which we're going to do is I'm going to jump back to non-detailed view, right? So this ball up here on the top right, the third one back. And I'm going to choose edit mode, and I'm going to enter S. I'm going to scale that down. And then enter probably one more time. You can do this a bunch if you want. All right. But now in color mode, right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure I select that one surface right there. I'm going to press plus. I'm going to add a new material. And this time, instead of principled, this here where it says surface, principled, I'm going to change it to emission. Emission, choose like a yellow color and crank it up. Most importantly, I'm going to click assign like before. Now that looks kind of cool, right, because it's emitting light. But one more step, last step here, folks, is to press this here render engine area here. What we're going to do is click the bloom, and that gives us the cool thrusters. All right, now with that you can have fun with it. You could also select, say, these panels here, right? Let's say you select all of them somehow by holding shift, and then you go into your materials and you choose material and assign. Now you got, you know, extra cool looking. So assign, that's all you do is you click a panel, check the color, press assign. Right now, if I wanted to say come over here, edit mode, object mode, select the ship, edit mode, and I want to subdivide this a bunch. So I have, you know, smaller things. I'm going to hold shift, and maybe I do, I don't know, some kind of a series of squares here. All right, I'm going to then plus, choose that emission thingy, and then assign. And I got some cool looking, you know, almost windows or something. There you go. So emission, of course, we can change the level of strength down here on the right next to the color. Yeah, emission. There we go. And remember to press the bloom in case you don't see the cool glow. Make sure you are in this mode here, bloom. All right. Happy creating.